Hello, I would like to share a great new feature for this product attribute search extension, and it's called Display Attributes by Grid. Let me jump right into showing this on a couple of forms. We can do release products, and up here you'll see that there's a new option available, and it's available in many forms where we have the either product number or the item number to display attributes. The way it works is that we can see, for example, on audio, let's see, headphones. So now we have the list of just headphones, and you can still use the regular search and say, show me only Bluetooth, show me only a certain brand or connector. But you can also click the display attributes, and it will default come up with the attributes available for this. And we can, let's select 4. And then we see this as a grid. And I've set up this to save this view. But if I want to save this as a personalization, I could say headphones, and it will actually save this, including the setting for the display attributes. You can still see over here on the right all the other attributes available on each product. You are able to search directly here. Say I want to have one of the ones with the yes. And you can, if you download this and export to Excel, it will actually include these values as well in your Excel. So you can work with it over there. Let me just clear this grid. So it will save my view here. One way I can show this is if we take back to the standard view and look at, let's do home appliances and do air conditioners as an example. So we have these search available. If I display the attributes, I could select, for example, these 3. And then I immediately see the brand, if it's Energy Star, and the installation type. And if I go back to my phones, sorry, my Bluetooth, my headphones here, you can see it remembers my setting here. And if I go to my air conditioner, it will remember my setting there. So this is an option to save this per category when you look at this. The personalization can be shared with other users, just like standard. And if you have other search options, if you don't share it per category, we have an option to share from a menu point. Let's look at this from our on-hand menu. See on-hand list. Then let's see. So here we have, we want to see everything with headphones. And again, because I already did this query, it knows what I want to see, but you have the option up here to select the attributes. Let's see if I want to select the folding as well. It will become available. And of course, all the normal filters over here. Say I want to see inventory from central. will become available as well. And you have the option of doing another filter from here, or you can of course do it from up here, do the save, do share, everything. Let's look at it from do a sales line. So let's make a new sales order. Pick a default retail customer here. Can do an air conditioner. Say we want to have a black one here. So down here you have the option here, just as well as you can select the normal dimensions, you can select the attributes, and let's see, air conditioners. I want to see a brand, Energy Star, installation type. So we see the values out here on the right. So whenever I create products here, I'm going to have one of those and select gray. All these values will follow along and be visible. And of course, if you mix products here, you'll have to get more attributes out here on the right. Another thing we have added is on any queries where we have the item number, we have added the possibility to add the attributes. So let's do a report. Let's do an open sales order lines by customer, for example. So if we do the records to include, do a filter, and the options I have right now is just to filter on order lines. If I want to add product attributes, I can do a joins, and I can add a table join, just a standard item number, add another table join, and then just search for product attributes. You'll have this one available here, this selection. So if we go back to the range now, we can do the product attribute selection and say, I want to have the attribute name of brand, and I want to do just value called Fabricam. And you can actually add multiple selections. So you want to search for another attribute as well. You can add this and say this is the Energy Star. Should be yes. So now I'm searching on both values here on my report, and you can do this on pretty much all the forms where we have either the product or the item involved. Finally, a few important parameters. Not a whole lot you need to do to get started. Down in our product information management, we have these extension parameters, and this is the one we've had all along, but we added this display attributes, and you can just restore defaults, and there we have added this option to display attributes on all these forms out of the box. But you can actually control here on the on hand, if you go into advanced, you can actually control the grid and where you want the button here to be set. If you recall, it was from the different parameters, but you can actually say I want to have the button located somewhere else, and it's pretty much for you to do. As with the other forms, you can enable, if you have custom forms you build from scratch, you can just add them here, do the advanced control, and the engine will make sure that the possibility is available. So that's all for now. If you need more info, give us a shout. Thank you.